So here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's check out what they have for the season change. Okay, so we have some of their ornaments right here, the Halloween ornaments, and then we have some stencils. That one says Home Sweet Haunted Home. Let's see. And then we have this one that says Happy Halloween. And I don't think they have any more, so let's see. Then we have the hands, the window clings. Okay, the bloody hands, and then we have some window decorations here. Here's the pumpkins, and here's the witch and the ghost. And I think that's all they have there. And here are the sugar skulls, I think they're called. And up there, guys, we have some tube confetti. Then over here we have some more window decorations. And they're keeping them in this store. They're keeping them together. So these are the ones they have, guys. Aren't they pretty? Okay, then up there they have some craft items. One is the craft witch and one is the sugar skull. Then over here you have the boo signs with the exclamation point, and over here says eek with the exclamation point. Then you have this guy here. I don't know, guys. It's pretty spooky, but they have those. And then they have the help window clings. Here's the help, and here's the get out, and here's the keep out. Then down here you have the craft jars. That's what they look like, the craft bottles. And here's some more window clings. So they have that kind right there. Let me see what other kind they have. That one. And that one, Hocus Pocus. Let's see. That one. Okay, so that's what they have here. All right, so then we have the leaves, decorations here, and here's the pumpkins. I love these. These are nice. And then this one here says give thanks. And just making sure, yeah, these are all the same. Okay, so now you have the picks. So this is the larger of the three. So the largest ones is 4 in a pack. Then you have these little tiny ones. These are 10 in a pack. And these guys, the medium ones over here, are 5 in a pack. But they only have the orange ones left. Then right here we have, these are iridescent, guys, these skulls. So you have the white ones, and then you have these. That's what they look like. Then over here these are tea lights. So you have the skull, then you have the pumpkin, and what else do I see? I think that's a cat, and I think that's all I see there. Some more craft bottles. Then you have these burlap leaves, and then you have those leaves here all the way to the top, guys. Then you have the lights. Those are the pumpkins. These are the leaves. That's what they look like. And the pumpkins are all the way up on the top. I can't reach those. Then you have the wreath hangers in orange, and then the foliage in the bags. Okay, I don't think I saw this last time I was here. Yeah, I did. I'm sorry. This says welcome my pretties. I love that. And then here is the black truck with the pumpkins. House. And I'm kind of taking a liking to that ghost. Maybe it's because he has a cute face. And then here's the pumpkin. Then you have this sign over here with the owl. It says trick or treat. Which way to the treats? Okay. And then they have these two signs right here, trick or treat, and come in for a spell or two. And then look how big that bat is, guys. Then you have the two wreaths. That black one has the skulls on it, and then this orange one has the pumpkins, and then here is a spider. So I saw this the last time I was here. These are like these little weighted type things. So here's the pumpkin, here's the black cat, and then here, I'm not sure what this guy is, but there he is. Okay, so, and then you have this guy right here. Then along the bottom you have the orange and the black pumpkins, the glitter pumpkins, and they're LED. And then you have the black skulls, the purple, and the orange. And I think those light up too. Yep. So we see this sign here that says come in for a spell. I like that sign. Then you have that one. Okay, and then you have that one. And then next to that is that giant eye, guys. I don't think I remember that last year. Wow, I don't remember it last year. And here's another different kind. So they're plastic. Okay, I don't remember those. So those I think are new, at least to our Dollar Tree. And then you have the 3 stack pumpkins. They remind me of the pumpkin topiaries, and then we have the chains. And I'm liking that welcome sign with the potion bottles. Those are pretty cute. Then you have these are the signs they have out for Halloween. Trick or treat, happy haunting, haunted houses. This is galvanized metal. Jack-o'-lanterns, toil and trouble, cobwebs, black cats. I'm sure you get the idea. Then over here we have the florals. And we have the paper jointed cutouts. Look how big that is, guys. That's like a 60-inch, and that's what that looks like. So we have those. And yeah, they have some more of that. So then they have the skeletons in the orange, the white, the orange, and here's the green. So let's see what they have over here. So here they have the ornaments. Here's the cat. Here is the witch's hat. This little color and sign craft is trick or treat. Then they have the galvanized metal signs. This one says haunted, spooky, and beware. And I'm kind of liking that font. Then you have some more craft items they can do here for Halloween, guys. So they have that canvas there with Halloween with the paint set. And they have the haunted house. Okay, and then they have that one. So then if we come over here, you have the Be Grateful. That's the cornucopia. Here's another one. So then over here they have, and this is the Dollar Tree near my mom. They seem to have a lot more here. So here's the Happy Halloween. And then here's the ghost. Here is the house, and here is the pumpkin or the jack-o'-lantern, and here is the skull. Okay, here's another jack-o'-lantern. Here is an acorn. Another ghost. Here's another acorn. Here's a pumpkin, and here is a turkey over here. And that is, I believe that's a sugar skull, and here's a pumpkin. So here's the witch that fell in the cauldron, and here is the harvest signs. Thankful, harvest, and welcome. And that one is the same. So here is the house, and there's another jack-o'-lantern. Let's see what's on this side. So then you have the ceramic painting set, guys. So you have this guy here and this one. Let's see, we have that one. And there's the witch, and here's the pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern. Then you have some more I'm sorry, some paint sets. I said treats. I think I was thinking of this trick or treat. Then you have that paint set, this paint set, and this one. How cute is that? Okay, so then if we come over here, you see the garlands, guys. So I'm just going to scan that for you. Those garlands, I love the fall colors. So here's another look at the fall foliage. Okay. So we have the stakes over here. This is the metal corn. And then here, guys, I showed this to you before. So they have, I remember the truck last year. Maybe it's me, guys, or maybe it's this location. So the harvest blessings, there's the truck. And then they have the wagon. I don't remember the wagon last year. I'm loving that. And then there was another one. Oh, the bicycle. Okay, so here's the bike right here. See that? Isn't that pretty? I'm loving all three, guys. Here's another autumn sign. Here's some more pumpkin clips. And here, guys, is the Farm Fresh Pumpkins, 25 cents. Those are steaks. And then I'm loving this sign. This is so nice. So this is a welcome sign with the scarecrow. All of a sudden, I'm liking the scarecrows. I don't know. Family and friends steak. And then here's friends gather here. And there are the door hangers. Guys, let me show you. See? Then here is the red truck, guys. And there's the family, friends, and football. And here's the close-up of the red truck. Isn't that pretty? Then you have these flag signs right here in felt. Give thanks, the red one. The green one is gather, football, and there's grateful and bless. Then you have some more give thanks and harvest signs. Autumn. So let me see, if we come over here, you're going to see some deco mesh right here. And this is what's left over of their gourds. They even have the corn. So here is the pumpkin. And then If I move this over, here is the maple leaf. And that beautiful color. Here's some more gourds, guys. That's pretty nice. Then you have more window clings. This one says autumn. And I love these because look, they have sunflowers. Then here's a turkey. And here's the truck. And here's the hello fall. Then you have the harvest blessings. I'm loving that background. Then the harvest blessings here. And then these are really nice. So this is hand-picked daily, organic. Pumpkins. I know they had the apples, but I'm not sure they have them here. Thankful and blessed, thankful and blessed. Then you have the acorn. Here is the owl. Here's the acorn. And then here, guys, is the owl. So then we just have, okay, a couple of those pumpkins there, and we have the owl, pot, and the scarecrow. I like the owl. And then here's some straw clip. Isn't that an absolutely beautiful clip? So here is the burlap pumpkin. And I'm loving these. I don't know why, especially this one here, this deep green. Isn't that beautiful? Then they have the white pumpkin or the cream. And there's another burlap pumpkin in the orange. Inside here you have the arrangements, the pumpkins. Let me see. And in here you have some more of these pumpkins. Here, these are the kind of little tiny arrangements, and then they have these ornament. Then they have the broom. They have the broom. Then you have the tube confetti pumpkins. Here's some more of those little arrangement ones. Aren't they beautiful? They have tons of them, guys, left. Then only a few of the felt. The felt ones they wiped out first. So then they have these welcome signs here. Here's the orange, here's the burlap, and there's the green, and here are the scarecrow picks. They have the sunflower on the top, guys. Not pretty. This one has the leaves. We have some more of those, and here, guys, is the owls. So that one has the green hat, that one has the green and orange hat, and then they have tons of these in different styles. Okay, there's the green ones down there. Isn't that? They're so pretty. All different kinds. Some of these bows for Halloween. I'm loving those purple pumpkins and the orange ones. So these are the skulls, guys, and those are the witch's feet. These guys are glow in the dark. So here you have, see, they have these in the black, the witch's broom. And then look at this. They have the skeleton hands. And then those are glow in the dark. So they also have these in this color, and then they have the spider in the green, the purple, and the orange. Then they have the pumpkin. These are glow in the dark, guys. I thought you color them in, but you don't. Then you have some pumpkin felt down here, and these are the spiders. Wow. Let me see. And then you have the ribbon. I don't think I've seen this one before. It's not cute. And then you have this one, the orange, and then you have this black one. Let's see how far down I can get. These are the decorative orange and purple. Okay, and then you have some tubing on this side. Let me see if I can get on this side. These are spiders, guys, right here. These are all spiders, and these are all bats. Then you have the Decor mesh here along the bottom. Pretty neat, guys, and look at all the colors of the tubing. Then you have the bats and the black, the purple, and here the purple brooms, witch's brooms. Then you have the chenille stems and all of the Halloween colors and some more pumpkins. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out the Halloween and Thanksgiving decor, and I'll see you in the next video.